Okay, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be teaching you how to do an auto farm in skyblock. I would recommend playing this game. It's really fun. They do updates quite recent, like every once in a while, which are pretty quick. It's in the beta stage, but it's still really good. But I would warn you about a glitch. Your inventory can be deleted because they made this new system to stop it from duplicating, and if you were caught duplicating, your inventory would be deleted. But now it's deleting innocent people, and I've had that happen to me, and it's really annoying. But so far, this is my place, and we're going to be teaching you how to build an auto farm. And that's mine so far. Okay, let's get right in to the video. Hello, we are gonna, so basically how to make an automatic farm. This is mine so far. As you see, the stuff will come in this chest. You can just automatically collect it. And right here is my second chest. You don't have to have it, but I do because it fills up quite frequently since I have a big one. And basically, if you come upstairs, right here, this is it. So basically, totems, you're going to want to have, you can just start off with one layer, but you're going to need, for the basics, you're going to need an industrial chest, first off. You're going to need one totem. You're also going to need a conveyor and some grass and whatever seeds you're using. So basically how this works is these totems pick the crops up and replant them, and then they drop them on the conveyor, and it goes all the way down, and it goes in your chest, and then you have them. And basically you can keep expanding and making them bigger and bigger until, like, you can make them taller and taller and keep putting this on. So basically mine is like 7 stories. Right here, and then as you can see, if we go in here, okay, let me try this again. If we go in here, you can see all this stuff dropping in. So all this stuff will drop in here, and you'll bring it down all the way down here, all the way in here, and it'll go in these chests. Now, if we go to Louise's places, he has another example of one you can do. So basically at Louise's, he has a different one, but his I kind of like more because it's more simple design. Right here, he has a bunch of stacked up stuff, but if you go up here, then you'll see he has a berry farm, and basically if you just put a conveyor down and a bunch of totems next to each other with a bunch of crops, then that will work too, and you can keep expanding up the same way, but you have to make a tunnel down so the crops don't go flying. So this is his one, and basically what you would do is you would put totems all along here, put your crops back here, and then they'll go into the chest. And see, he has a bunch of carrots, and that's another example. So basically, if your chests are filling up too fast, I have a way to fix that. I actually learned this from another guy who taught me, but basically behind this wall there is, let me just show you guys. Well, there's 2 industrial chests and some glass. So whenever, okay, let me just break this wall down, show you. As you can see, the items drop in here, and if this conveyor is full, then it'll move on next to the other conveyor, so you don't get overflows and you have two conveyors now. You can just put ladders on it, but I want to hide up my stuff, so I put wood planks. But the reason why you want to do this is so the stuff doesn't fall out. And while we're doing an automatic farm, I'll just show you another example of an automatic farm, except it's not for farming. So this is basically just an iron auto farm, except I don't have an automatic smelter yet, which you can get basically. And if you come back here, all this stuff spawns and it goes on the conveyor into the chest, and yeah, and that's how this one works. And basically I have a recommendation for you guys. You see this tree platform? You want to build the trees 7 blocks apart. So I built this 7 blocks apart and then 7 blocks apart, and it works like that. And you can have crops in here, but I have the auto farm. And then down here we have the berry seeds, which are the best seeds in the game. They're the easiest to get, well, I mean hardest to get, and they sell for a lot of money, but they're really hard to get seeds. Okay, so now that was how you get automatic farm. And the materials you'll need, as you can see, I don't think I have one, but this is a stone totem. You'll need like if you want carrots, you're going to want to get a carrot totem and place a 9x9 place and a conveyor that leads down to the 2 industrial chests. And then you want to plant seeds, carrot seeds, if you have a carrot totem, and then it'll automatically pick up your carrots and replant them. So it's basically automatic, and the only downside is you don't get extra seeds. But that, guys, is basically how you get an automatic farm. Comment down below and leave a like if you want to see more of these videos. We have more tutorials to do, like a lot more, and we can teach you more stuff. So bye guys, have a good day. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.